Welcome to ER's Music Art Studio. This is Savi. This is lesson 0, the interface. If you ever wanted to learn the grease pencil in Blender, then this series of videos is just for you. In this first video, we're going to take a look at the grease pencil inside of the Blender interface. You may be starting off as a beginner, so all the basics will be covered in step-by-step illustration. Let's begin. Wait a minute. Don't forget to take notes, so get your notebook. Once you open Blender, you will find the splash screen, and you have the option to select the 2D animation from there. You can also go to File, New, and then select 2D animation. Some new presets have been applied to get us started right away. This means that we can start drawing and animating in this 2D canvas. It takes us straight to draw mode, so we can start drawing right away. And it's even giving us a couple of default collections, including an object called stroke and a camera. First, let's talk a little bit about the stroke. To scroll down, click on this little white triangle. We can notice that this object includes 2 layers. In addition, if we go to the grease pencil object properties, we can also see these 2 layers. Now, here we have a plus sign, and if we click on it, we will create a new layer. Let me say this, we can create as many layers as we want. On the contrary, we can delete them by clicking this minus sign. But be careful, make sure that you have at least 1 layer. If you don't have any, this is where you create a new layer. Click on it and Blender will create it for you. We can also rename any of our objects and layers. This is especially important in order to keep us organized. Let's practice. Give it a go. Another important feature is these 2 arrows. They will change the location of our layers. So if we were to click on these little triangles, you can see that the grease pencil layers will change their position. We can also restrict the visibility of our layers by clicking here. It looks like an eye, isn't it? Now to continue, I just want to make one small change here in the World Properties settings. So go over the World Properties, click on this white color and change it to a color that works best for you. Here we can change the value. As I said before, you can choose the color that works best for you. In draw mode, we have the drawing tool. For now, we will only talk a little bit about the draw and the eraser. By default, this toolbox should be visible, but you can use the T shortcut key to hide it and unhide it. My personal preference is to split this area so I can focus more closely on the object data, the properties, and the materials. Now let me sketch something for you.